This hidden gem should be on your bucket list. Imagine waking up in the vibrant heart of Morocco, where every corner tells a tale of timeless beauty. Feel the warm desert breeze as you ride camels across the golden dunes of the Sahara. Stroll through the bustling souks of Marrakesh, where colors explode and the scent of exotic spices fills the air. Craving more? Indulge in a traditional tagine, savoring rich, aromatic flavors that evoke the essence of Moroccan culture. And don't miss the breathtaking blue city of Chefchaouen, a true masterpiece of unique architecture. The best time to visit Morocco is from March to May or September to November, when the weather is perfect for exploring. Travel with confidence. Morocco is known for its welcoming atmosphere and vibrant diversity. Pack your bags. An adventure full of mystery and wonder awaits. Subscribe to Destination Travel for more gems like this.